When you have the symptoms of a heart attack, minutes matter. Do you have instant access to life-saving ASA and nitroglycerin? Many Canadians are at risk of heart attack because of a medical condition or lifestyle choices. With SMHeartCard, ASA and nitroglycerin are in your wallet, pocket, or purse, so you're always prepared for a heart attack. SMHeartCard is easy to use. When you get symptoms of a heart attack, put your card down flat and remove the pill caps. Chew and swallow the 4 ASA pills. Put the first nitroglycerin pill under your tongue. If symptoms continue after 5 minutes, put the second nitro pill under your tongue. After another 5 minutes, if symptoms continue, take the third nitro pill and call 911. You don't need a prescription to get your fresh SMHeartCard pills from your pharmacist. Once you get them, pop the SMHeartCard caps off, put fresh pills in the specially designed pill holder, and replace the pill caps. Take note of the expiry date for when you need fresh nitroglycerin. Don't wait to get SMHeartCard for you or someone you love, because minutes matter.